In this video, we'll show you how to add a class and class reps to your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin and then Classes. On the Classes page, click the Manage button and then click Add Class. Enter the name of the class in the class name field. Teacher name, phone number and email address are optional steps. If you do not want to include them or do not have the information at this time, you can leave them blank. Select the relevant school year for the class in the school year field and select the current academic year for the class in the academic year field. Now set a password. A class password ensures that only those parents with that password can sign up for this particular class list. We recommend choosing a difficult password for more security. Or you can click on the padlock icon for a password to be allocated for you. Please ensure to make note of this password as you would need it to forward it to parents in order for them to gain access. If you would like to allow parents to share their contact details with other members of the list, then please check the box marked Allow Sharing of Contact Details. If you would like to allow parents to email other parents on the same list, then please check the box marked Allow Parents to Email. You can have up to 4 class reps for each class. Please note that if you want to add someone as a class rep, then they must be registered on your site to appear as an option in this drop-down list. Then click the Add Class button. Meet Your Class Reps can then be seen by selecting About Us in the Your PTA section of the main navigation. And that's it, you have now successfully added a class and class reps to your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.